Hi guys, I made this propeller driven junk pile trike chopper in the previous video just for fun, because I could, and because I can, I've made this one radio controlled. It only turns the motor on and off, but it is radio controlled or remote controlled. There's no steering or anything like that. This is just turning it on and off. Oh, he's stuck. Front wheel grips the floor because it's sticky rubber. Because without it, it slides so badly that it doesn't go around in circles. So there we go, just a simple remote control switch. It's the sort of thing you use for garage doors. But I have a reason for using it. I want to try using it for radio controlled control line model aeroplane. Simply so we can turn the engine on and off. Because in the good old days when I used to do control line model aeroplanes, you had to let them run until the fuel tank ran dry. But now with electric ones, chances are the battery's going to last for half an hour or something. So if I can just turn the battery on and off like this, then I can do all the rest of the flying the normal way. Well, preferably not crashing into the wall. But I can fly as normal, and when I want to stop, I can just stop the motor. So that's what this is really testing. The range for these is about 100 meters in theory, but the model aeroplanes you fly on about 50-foot lines. So what's that in meters? Well, it's less than 20 meters, isn't it? 20 meters would be just about 60 feet. So well within the range of one of these. We'll just hook him off the wall again. And let him go round. I must have moved the steering a bit, it's going a wider circle. Just so we can see the detail, that's the remote switch. So it's single channel radio control. All that it does is operates that relay. So the red and black on the right hand side is the power for the switch, which I'm using a ordinary 9-volt battery, and then the power for the motor is just being switched on and off by that relay, and it's that 2S LiPo battery. So that's the power for the motor, and that's the power for the switch. You could use the same power for the switch if you wanted to, but I'm just demonstrating that they're completely separate. And we turn it on and off, get the wires out of the way. With that. Hey, thanks for watching.
There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.